Hi, I'm Melanie Hustle, and here's another video from my Peek Inside Persuasive Presentations series. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to a highly effective vocal technique, the powerful pause. In my submodule on the pause, I explain why, how, and when to pause. Now, I'm going to share a snippet from this video focusing on the why. Let's have a look inside the course.
Pausing is a brief moment of silence. It intensifies your message. It can create moments of drama and suspense. For the audience, it makes them sit up and listen. It takes twice as long for your listeners to process your words than for you to say them. So pausing gives your listeners processing time. This is especially important if you're giving complicated technical information or many facts or figures, or even a list of critical points. It helps them to retain your key messages. It provides the audience with time to clarify and gives meaning to your words. It gives the audience a chance to breathe. And lastly, it's seriously engaging. This short silence makes your listeners lean forward and listen more attentively as they anticipate what is coming next. And for you, as the speaker, what does it do for you? It provides an opportunity to collect your thoughts and time to prepare yourself for your next opener. Many of us are guilty of our mouths running far ahead of our fully conscious brains. Pausing gives you time for your brain to catch up with your mouth so you can focus on keeping your language simple and concise. And finally, it may seem surprising, but it can actually calm your nerves. One of the main benefits is that it is an effective tool to help reduce your filler words.
You see, pausing is your friend. And I challenge you to embrace this simple technique immediately, whether you're presenting an idea to your boss or addressing a large crowd. Give your ideas the clarity and the impact they deserve. Take your skills a notch higher and book a consultation call to learn more about vocal and body techniques that magnify your communication. I look forward to meeting you.